Hey, this is Eric from Minneapolis, and I'm about to demonstrate the OmniShaver. I'm going to start out by wetting my head a little bit. And a little bit of lotion. All right, here we go. Do some nice, long, even strokes here. A little around the ears. This I can go all the way from the front to the back here without having to stop, turn the razor around. Another nice thing is you don't have to keep rinsing this thing. Saves time, saves water. Around the other ear. Really doing a nice job getting it right down there. It's nice and smooth. You know, it's fast, but I'm also all about accuracy, so I want to make sure I get a really good smooth head here. So I'll just kind of go around to some of the trouble spots. Feel around with this arm or this hand, see if I'm missing anything. Here a little bit. Now they say this thing self-cleans, which is pretty cool. You know, I've used it about, I think this is about my 6th time. So I'm sure I'll even get faster, a little more accurate with practice. And one thing that's been amazing, amazing since I started using this guy is I have not had one nick or cut. You know, we got like 10 razors, I think, is in there. Alright, I think I'm pretty good here. Go smooth. Take a look. Right down to the skin. No nicks, no cuts, no extra water. Pretty cool.